What would happen if water were continuously compressed? First, you would need an abundant supply of water and an extremely powerful pressure device. When you increase the pressure on water to about 10,000 atmospheres, the hydrogen-oxygen bonds within water molecules break, and it turns into a solid crystal. However, this crystal is not ice. It's a polymer of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. As you reach around 40 million atmospheres, water starts to exhibit metallic properties, forming metallic hydrogen. Possessing this substance could make you the richest person in the world. But at around 2 billion atmospheres, you need to be cautious because hydrogen atoms will begin nuclear fusion. Their atomic nuclei combine to form a new substance, helium. You would observe a massive expansion of the material in your container during this process, releasing an enormous amount of energy capable of destroying a city. So, you'd also need a super strong container to contain it. Continuing to add pressure and oxygen, the new substance helium would fuse into carbon, carbon would fuse into oxygen, and so on. When your pressure exceeds 8 times the pressure at the core of a collapsing sun, you'd reach the end product of nuclear fusion. If you still don't intend to stop, the electrons of iron atoms will attempt to resist your efforts. Continuing to add pressure, iron electrons would escape into the interior of atomic nuclei, binding with protons, positively charged particles, to form neutrons. At this point, you would have a neutron star. Do you know what happens if you continue to increase the pressure on a neutron star?